So this is actually the second take of this tune. A little disappointed because I had a pretty excellent monologue in the last one, but I got a tickle in my throat and I played the wrong chord. It was just turning out bad. I'm like, you know what? I think I could probably record it more than once for you guys and not suck. So, anyways, so this is the fourth tune I'm recording. Third tune I'm recording right now. Starting to see a trend here that I got to become self-conscious of or aware of. And that is, this tune is called Will Be Tomorrow. So we've gotten Deep Side of Tomorrow, Never Mind Tomorrow, and now this tune is Will Be Tomorrow. Craig and I have played this a couple times. Pretty straightforward tune. And yeah, here goes. So it starts off with 2 times of this A, C major, I think it's a D major 7th, F, G, and the chorus is C, D, F, G. So here goes. So frustrated with the waiting, and I welcome the coming relief. It will be mine in good time. You just wait and see me. I'm right here, wanna hold you. Touch your face, it feels like all we have is each other and this mystery. I know you had big plans, and this won't change that. I hope you understand. I know this won't change that. I hope you understand. Seeing is believing. I hold that to my heart, and that is where I'll start today, making sense and holding to the mysteries of time lost here and now. But do I care? What you will, what's here is there still, and will be tomorrow. I know you had big plans, and this won't change that. I hope you understand. I know you had big plans, and this won't change that. Life will still be the way it always seemed, and maybe a little brighter. All right, Will Be Tomorrow.